Types of triangles notes continued. Let's review the notes on triangles. Remember that an acute triangle has 3 angles that are less than 90 degrees, so all 3 angles must be less than 90 degrees. Remember that a right triangle has one 90-degree angle, which we can see with the box. Remember that an obtuse triangle has one angle that's greater than 90 degrees. A scalene triangle has 0 congruent sides or 0 sides that are equal in length. An isosceles triangle has 2 congruent sides or 2 sides that are equal in length. And an equilateral triangle has 3 congruent sides or 3 sides that are equal in length. All the sides are equal. And remember that the sum of the measures of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So remember, just to recap, that the first 3 types of triangles, the acute, the obtuse, and the right triangles, classify a triangle based on its angle measures. And the last 3 triangles, the scalene, the isosceles, and the equilateral, help you classify a triangle based on the sides and the length of the sides. Now let's look at the triangle inequality theorem. The triangle inequality theorem states that the sum of the lengths of the 2 shorter sides is greater than the length of the third side. So when you look at the 3 lengths of a triangle and you take the 2 smaller sides, when you add them up, they must be greater than the length of the third side for it to be a triangle. Let's look at some examples. Look and see if the following measurements form a triangle. If you have 2 inches, 3 inches, and 4 inches, all you need to do with the triangle inequality theorem is take the 2 smaller numbers and add them up. 2 plus 3 is 5, and you look and see, is 5 bigger than the last side, the 4 inches? It is, so yes, this does form a triangle. Do 6 millimeters, 6 millimeters, and 12 millimeters form a triangle? You take the 6 and the 6 because they're the 2 smaller lengths, add them up, and they are 12. Is 12 greater than 12? No, it is not, so this is not a triangle. And would 8 feet, 4 feet, and 3 feet make a triangle? This time we need the 2 back numbers, the 4 and the 3, because they're the smaller ones. Add them up and they are 7. Are they greater than 8? No, they are not, so this does not make a triangle.